welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine. This week I'm going to be building a new raised bed, and it's going to go in the new space that I created. So between this bed and the wall. So let's get into it. So this is the area where I cleared the old coal shed away, so just put some cardboard down, get the ground as levelish as possible. It is on a slant anyway, so I'm not particularly bothered about being level. Corner brackets in place, manipulating them so they're nice and square, and then just work my way around and around. It took quite a while to do because they're heavy pieces of wood. But over and all, I was happy with the job, and it looks good. So not such a nice day today, a bit colder, but the raised bed is complete, like I've shown, but right at the back. But it's a deep bed, so I'm going to use some items that I've got to save some money on compost, so I'll just give you a look at that now. So I've got a pile of sticks, and a pile of cardboard, or a couple of piles of cardboard. So let's get into it. So firstly, before I put all this stuff into the compost bin, I'm going to put some protective membrane on the outside. So I've got that there, some tacks, and all I need is a hammer. So let's get it done. So I'm going to put some cardboard in the bottom, or more cardboard. And over time this breaks down. Good food for the worms. And gets rid of a load of rubbish. Next we'll get some sticks. Grass clippings. Cut the lawn for the first time yesterday, so make full use of them. Fills in some of the gaps and helps everything break down. And we've got some more cardboard. Next, to give that a right good water. Pour some yet. And compost. We've got a tiny bit of horticultural sand left. So what I'm going to do is water that in, and then I'll fill it right up with compost. So there you go, bed's full of compost. It'll still settle and it'll drop more, so I'll probably put some topsoil on top of that. But yeah, I think it's a decent job. And if you look around, we can see what else is growing. So we've got the onions in the containers, strawberries, the honeyberries, doing all right, nice and green, lots of leaves on there now. Carrots mixed in with onions and garlic, all doing well outside. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you can like and subscribe, that would be brilliant, and we'll catch you in the next one.